Everyone's getting this Oster Pro 1200 blender, but is it really worth it? Here are 3 things you need to know about this powerhouse. First off, tired of playing the guessing game with blenders that can't handle the basics? The Oster Pro's 1200 powerful 1200 watt motor ensures consistent results, from pulverizing greens to turning frozen fruit into silky sorbet. Smart settings technology with 7 speeds, including 3 pre-programmed settings, eliminates the guesswork for salsas, shakes, and smoothies. No more hit or miss blending, it's precision at your fingertips. Second, fed up with bulky appliances that clutter your kitchen and don't pull their weight? This Oster Beauty doubles as a blender and food processor, giving you versatility without the clutter. The 5-cup food processing bowl and 6-cup Poroglass glass jar handle everything from chopping to blending effortlessly. The dual direction blade technology ensures ingredients flow smoothly for faster, more efficient results. It's not just a blender, it's a compact kitchen powerhouse. Third, annoyed by blenders that sacrifice durability for looks? Oster Pro 1200 boasts a premium stainless steel finish for an elegant, modern look without compromising performance. The glass pitcher adds a touch of class while delivering robust blending. Don't let the noise fool you, it's the sound of power. And yes, it's dishwasher safe for hassle-free cleanup. It's not just about appearance, it's about quality that stands the test of time. I own the Oster Pro 1200 and it's been a game changer. The glass pitcher adds a touch of sophistication and the smoothie cup is a perfect size. This blender doesn't just blend, it crushes. I love the efficiency and simplicity of having a blender and food processor in one. No more clutter. The motor is a beast, pulverizing everything in its path. Sure, it's not the quietest, but it's the sound of pure power. If you want a no-nonsense, powerful kitchen companion, the Oster Pro 1200 is the one, worth every penny.